Let's take a second look at the F45 build here. Alright, someone astutely recognized that one of the units was off the track when we were testing it. So now we need to test it again. And what we're going to do is we're going to try the 15-inch radius. Now the 15-inch radius, unfortunately, is extremely beat up because we have used it so many times. And it's over open space and it's really getting worn out. But the question is, can we make it with the F45? Let's just warm them up a little bit. Now, is he still on the track? No. What we have is on this front axle, we definitely have the lever effect on this truck. The middle axle acts as a fulcrum. So when it goes over a rough piece, it bounces on the middle one along one of the other axles to leave the rails. Let's watch them. But generally has the capability to make that 15. Pretty nice performance. But we still got a little lever action going on. Not bad though. Starting to come together. Now, I may take this out and remount the sockets a little more to give that middle axle just a little more play to it. Sounds good, it looks good. Now when I put the shell on this, the sound's going to be magnified significantly. What we can do about that is make it so that the shell is not an amplifier. We want to deaden the shell a bit, and one of the ways we can do that is by adding some lead weights into it. However, there's so much room in that shell, we should save it for something really special. So there's a couple other ways. We can add some sound dampening to the shell so we keep this thing nice and quiet. So far this thing is turning out pretty good, and this is probably going to be a really outstanding pair of F45s.